Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the Skill Tree.
Hello, friends. We are very happy you are here with us today.
This is day 26 of our 30 Days English Challenge.
And today we have another fun and useful English podcast for you.
Today's topic is morning to night routine.
We are going to follow a full day from morning until bedtime.
And you will learn many simple English phrases you can use every day.
Exactly.
This episode is perfect for beginners.
So relax, listen carefully, and enjoy the conversation.
Are you ready?
Let's begin. Morning conversation. Good morning, Maya.
Morning.
You look sleepy.
I am sleepy.
Did you sleep late last night?
Yes.
What happened?
I was watching videos until midnight.
That explains everything.
I know.
Did your alarm ring?
Yes.
Then why didn't you wake up?
I turned it off and went back to sleep.
That is dangerous.
Very dangerous.
What time did you wake up?
Around 8:30.
Oh no, you are late.
I know.
Did you brush your teeth?
Not yet.
Hurry up.
I need coffee first.
Coffee before brushing your teeth?
Don't judge me. I'm still half asleep.
Do you want breakfast?
What are we having?
Toast and eggs.
Sounds good.
But you need to get ready quickly.
I know.
You always move slowly in the morning.
My brain wakes up late.
That is not a good excuse.
Maybe.
Where are your shoes?
I can't find them.
Again?
I think they are under the bed.
Why are your things always under the bed?
It is a mystery. Ah! Found them.
Great.
Wait,
What now?
these are different socks.
Really?
One black and one blue.
Amazing.
I don't have time to change them.
Nobody will notice.
I hope so.
Let's go.
Wait, I forgot my phone.
Of course.
Okay, now I'm ready.
Finally. Breakfast talk.
Breakfast time conversations are very common in daily English.
Especially when people are late.
That happens almost every morning.
True.
Rahul, are you a morning person?
Not at all.
Really?
I need at least 3 alarms.
3 alarms?
Sometimes 4.
That is serious.
My first alarm wakes up my family. But not me.
That is funny.
What about you?
I wake up early.
Naturally?
Usually.
I am jealous.
But I become tired in the afternoon.
So nobody wins.
Exactly.
What do you usually eat for breakfast?
Mostly simple food.
Healthy food?
I try.
That sounds responsible.
What about you?
Tea and regret. Sometimes bread.
Very healthy.
Thank you. Going to work.
Hurry up, Arun.
I'm coming.
We are going to miss the bus.
Relax.
Why are you walking so slowly?
Because I am tired.
It is only 9 in the morning.
Exactly. Wait,
What happened?
I forgot my wallet.
Seriously?
I left it on the table.
Go get it quickly.
Okay,
I cannot believe this.
I'm back.
Good.
Did the bus leave?
Not yet.
Lucky.
Very lucky.
The bus looks crowded today.
Everyone is going to work.
I wish I could stay home.
Same.
Maybe one day.
Maybe.
Oh no,
What now?
I forgot my lunch.
Again?
This is not my day.
You can buy something later.
True.
boss is here.
Run.
I'm trying.
At the office. Good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
Did everyone finish the report?
Almost.
Almost.
I need 10 more minutes.
All right.
I finished mine.
Great job.
Thank you. I'm still waking up. You are always waking up.
That is true.
Please send the reports before lunch.
Sure.
No problem. Also, we have a meeting at 2 o'clock. Another meeting?
Meetings never end.
Welcome to office life. All right, everyone. Back to work.
Afternoon conversation. I'm getting hungry.
Same.
What time is it?
12:30.
Finally.
What did you bring for lunch?
Rice and chicken.
Nice.
What about you?
I forgot my lunch.
Right.
I told you.
You forget everything.
My memory is tired.
That makes no sense.
I know.
Do you want to order food?
Yes, please.
Pizza?
Always.
You eat too much pizza.
Pizza understands me. What are you laughing at?
That sentence was dramatic.
Thank you.
The food should arrive soon.
Good.
You look exhausted.
I need a nap.
At work?
Just 5 minutes.
Dangerous idea.
Probably.
Last time you slept for 30 minutes.
That was an accident.
Sure.
Funny story section.
All right, Rahul. Tell us a funny afternoon story.
Okay.
We are ready.
One time I became very sleepy after lunch.
That happens to everyone.
I was sitting in class.
Okay.
The teacher was explaining something important.
And?
I closed my eyes for 1 second.
Dangerous.
Very dangerous.
What happened next?
I fell asleep. Suddenly, I heard everyone laughing.
Oh no.
I woke up very confused.
What did the teacher say?
He said, "Raul, did you enjoy your nap?" I wanted to hide under the desk.
That is hilarious.
Not for me.
How long were you sleeping?
Maybe 10 minutes?
That is impressive.
Thank you.
Did your friends record you?
Unfortunately, yes. They still send me the video sometimes.
Good friends.
Evil friends.
Evening conversation.
Finally, work is over.
What a long day.
I'm completely exhausted.
Me too.
Do you want to go home now?
Definitely.
Wait,
What happened?
we need groceries.
Oh no.
We have no milk. Or snacks. That is the real problem. Exactly. Let's stop at the supermarket.
Fine.
Try to stay awake.
I'm trying.
Look at that man.
Why?
He is pushing the wrong shopping cart.
Really?
Yes!
Oh no.
That woman looks confused.
This is awkward.
Very awkward.
Wait.
What?
I think I took somebody else's basket.
Seriously?
Why does this always happen to me? This is embarrassing.
Go return it.
Okay.
I'll wait here.
Vocabulary section.
Let's learn some useful expressions from today's episode.
These phrases are very common in daily life.
First phrase. I'm still half asleep.
This means you are still very sleepy.
Example. Don't talk to me yet. I'm still half asleep.
Very natural.
Next phrase. That explains everything.
We use this when we finally understand the reason for something.
Example. You slept at 3 in the morning? That explains everything.
Great.
Next phrase. I'm getting hungry.
Meaning you are starting to feel hungry.
Example. It's almost lunchtime. I'm getting hungry.
Very useful.
Next phrase. I need a nap.
A nap means a short sleep during the day.
Example. I'm so tired. I need a nap.
Excellent.
Next phrase. What a long day.
We say this when the day feels tiring or busy.
Example. I worked for 10 hours today. What a long day.
Perfect.
Next phrase. I'm completely exhausted.
Meaning very, very tired.
Example. After cleaning the house, I was completely exhausted.
Wonderful.
Night routine conversation.
I'm finally home.
Same.
Today felt so long.
I know.
Do you want dinner now?
Maybe later.
I just want to sit quietly.
Same.
Should we watch something?
Sure.
Comedy?
Definitely comedy.
No sad movies tonight.
Agreed.
Wait,
What happened?
I think I left my office keys at work.
Again?
Why is my memory so bad?
Maybe your brain is tired.
Hey, that was my excuse. I'll check my bag.
Good idea.
Oh, never mind.
Found them?
Yes.
Great.
False alarm.
You panicked too quickly.
True.
Are you going to sleep early tonight?
I should.
No more midnight videos.
I will try.
That doesn't sound confident.
Because it is not. What time are you sleeping?
Around 10:30.
Responsible.
Thank you.
All right. Good night.
Sleep well.
See you tomorrow.
Good night. English tips section. Here are some simple English tips for daily conversations.
Tip number 1.
Use short and clear sentences.
Simple English is powerful.
Tip number 2.
Practice speaking every day.
Even 5 minutes helps.
Tip number 3.
Learn phrases, not only single words.
Phrases sound more natural.
Tip number 4.
Do not fear mistakes.
Mistakes help you improve.
Tip number 5.
Listen to English every day,
Podcasts are great for listening practice.
especially easy English podcasts.
Exactly. Phrase practice.
Let's practice together.
Repeat after us.
I'm still half asleep.
I'm still half asleep.
That explains everything.
That explains everything.
I'm getting hungry.
I'm getting hungry.
I need a nap.
I need a nap.
What a long day.
What a long day.
I'm completely exhausted.
I'm completely exhausted.
Excellent job, everyone.
Your English is improving day by day.
All right, everyone. It is time to say goodbye.
Thank you so much for joining us today.
This was day 26 of our 30 Days English Challenge.
We hope this podcast helped your English feel easier and more natural.
Remember, you do not need difficult English.
Simple and clear English is enough.
Keep listening and practicing every day.
And don't forget to subscribe to the Skill Tree.
Also, tell us in the comments.
What is your daily routine from morning to night?
We would love to read your answers.
Thank you again for listening.
See you in the next episode.
Goodbye, everyone.
Bye-bye.